Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, for your career situation and relationship, Pisces. I'll be picking cards randomly. So first for your general energies, guys. These are the cards. One card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. So we will start with the general reading, Pisces. 10 of water, 5 of fire and 4 of water. So these are the cards. These cards may relate to your career situation, guys, or your personal life situation. So you are dreaming about your future, or future in career, or future in your personal life, and you have that you feel that your dreams or whatever actions you do, certain things may go right according to expectation, but certain things you may feel disappointed. Some things may not go as planned. So you need to understand that it is at the right time things will manifest in your life, guys, Pisces. So that perfect timing and divine order may be the reason for certain disappointments you see in your situation today, guys. So some things may go right and some things may go unexpectedly bad. So you have to understand that and believe in that divine order or destiny, the reason for things unfolding in a particular way, guys. And you are having that childlike curiosity. You are exploring many paths. Maybe in your career you have opportunities lined up for you. You are meeting new people or new path in your career. So something new coming your way, and you are appreciating these opportunities, and you are ready to take up those opportunities, guys, whatever is coming in your situation. So some things are going well, guys, for you, but in some things there are some disappointments. But all over, guys, I see that your life is aligning with greater fortune today. So things will go right for you. You may, no matter what your situation is, you have that happiness and peace, harmony in your heart, and you feel thankful for how your situation is. So you may be seeing some disappointments, but whatever it is, you feel that in your heart of heart, at least you have this much, and you feel thankful for the people you have and the success you are enjoying till now, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 8 of air. So with this card, guys, in your relationship today, maybe you are not ready to see the truth, or they are not ready to see the truth. So someone is denying that truth, and your vision is clouded with illusion. Maybe you feel that they love you and you are doing certain things, but you don't have that strength to see what is there in this connection. So your illusion is keeping you from that understanding, guys. So you have to be honest with yourself, honest with this person. This may be your energy or their energy, guys, in this connection. So you are in denial, Pisces. You have to accept it and move on if this connection is not working for you. So that is what I see with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. 3 of water. So with this card, guys, you are maybe celebrating something with your colleagues or your friends, some kind of success, some initial success in your career situation, guys, and you are remembering each other's role, or you are accepting the help and support from people in your career, and you're accepting their collaboration, their contribution in the success, and you are thankful for it, and you're enjoying the success in your situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. That is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.